Hello, ladies and gents. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install the latest version of Vim on your CentOS CentOS 7. If you want to check the version that you have of Vim, just type Vim dash. Okay, CentOS 7 comes with Vim version 7. If I scroll up a little bit, I can see that this is the version that comes with CentOS 7, which is pretty old. And if you are like me and you want the latest and greatest version, I'm gonna show you how you can install it. Okay, first of all, make sure that you have the requirements, the necessary tools for installing Vim. We're gonna install it from the source. Okay, so just type sudo. If you don't have sudo, if you don't need sudo, just don't use it. Install gcc make any curses level. Okay, nothing to do, everything is up to date. Okay, then let's take a look at what stuff we have installed. With Vim, so we can uninstall it. Okay, we have this 4 files. You want to delete everything but the minimal. Okay, because we're gonna need this one. So just go sudo yum remove vim enhanced vim common vim file system. Okay, yes, I should have typed that before. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I'm gonna make just for the sake of organization, I'm gonna make a dev directory for development. And, okay, now you want to get the source code. Okay, so sudo git clone https://github.com vim vim git. Okay, now go cd vim and sudo make let the computer check the files and do its magic. Vim is pretty cool because it's a great text editor, also for development. And if you know C, you can browse the source code and take a look at how good programming is done using just plain C. So I'm gonna let this just work. The make file. Okay, now that the make file has finished, you just have to type sudo make install. That's it. You have the latest Vim installed in your machine. If you type Vim version, you may not see anything, okay? Like, that's because you have to reboot your system. So that's what I'll do. Okay, now I'm gonna log back into my system. Okay, now we can see, you can type Vim version, grep Vim. Okay, now you can see that you have Vim 8.2, which is pretty new. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye bye. Take care.